Good afternoon everyone. Today in repair car amplifier Blaupunkt GTA-475. According to the owner, it has the following fault. When driving on a bad road, the sound disappears in all channels. Apparently the amplifier turns off. The first thing that comes to mind is of course bad soldering on the power terminal, but if you move it, nothing happens. Also, it does not respond to the diagnostics by tapping, so it is necessary to disassemble it and carefully inspect the whole board in search of a soldering defect. The amplifier has already been disassembled and repaired as evidenced by the filter board not being attached. Furthermore, the mounting post is only one of 3 and there are screws dangling in the holes on the board. In general, the fault was detected quite quickly. There was no sound at the output of all 4 channels, which can only mean that some problem in the preamplifier or on the filter board. And upon close inspection, a resistor was found that is soldered into the board with only one of its pins. This is a quenching resistor installed in the plus 15 volt power supply circuit. Also, all suspicious places were soldered, where ring microcracks began to appear. Check if there is sound in all channels. Everything is good. We can assemble and do power measurements. The power supply is 14 volts, 50 amps. Looking at the RMS value in the lower right corner of the oscilloscope. 9 volts of pure signal. Multiply, then divide by the resistance of the load resistor and you get 90 watts per channel. Of course, if you load all 4 channels, the power will go down. But I think it will still give out an honest 75 watts. Old school, big chassis, big radiator, good heat dissipation margin. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck. Goodbye everyone.